Hello and welcome to TechLearnist. Today I'm going to show you the music recognition app Shazam owned by Apple. With this application, you can search music, movies, advertisements, television shows based on a sample played using microphone. Let's get started. This app is available on both Android and iOS devices like iPhone and iPad. To download, go to App Store or Play Store, search for Shazam and download it. Let's see how it works. Click on Continue. In order to activate the listening mode, tap to Shazam. Give access to microphone. Let's play some music to it. There you go. As you can see, it recognized the Summer of '69 song within seconds. You can also add the search music to Apple Music or Spotify playlist. Just give access. There you go. It has millions of songs in its database all over the world in different languages, and it can recognize the songs within seconds. Let's try another song. There you go. You can add and enjoy. So now don't scratch your head when you know a tune but can't search a song. Just play it to Shazam. Once found, you can add the song to Apple Music playlist or even other streaming devices like Spotify and Amazon Music. You can also activate the Auto Shazam mode by long pressing on the icon. And what it simply does is it keeps on collecting all the songs it's listening and puts it in My Music. So here you can see all the songs that it has listened so far. You can sync all the Shazams to Apple Music or Spotify. So sit back and enjoy streaming. If you like this video, do subscribe to TechLearnist.